Okay, so we get this question a lot. Like, how do you make sure that your APIs are AI ready? And, if you go through the checklist that we have, that's kind of foundational. Another thing you can do more practically is if you go into agent mode, we have a skill. If you press slash, and then you see the skill validate collection quality. I can see all of these skills available, and I'm going to click on validate collection quality, which automatically validates your collection against Postman's quality best practices. And it says validate the quality of the collection. I'm going to click on this button, and then I'm going to choose the entire collection, PayPal APIs. Okay, and you can see now it's doing a complete analysis of the collection. And it's going to give me areas for improvement too. So it says here's an analysis of this collection's quality based on best practices, completedness, documentation, test coverage, and common issues. So for best practices, we have variable usage. The collection uses variables for endpoints and authentication, which is a best practice for reusability. Bearer token authentication is set at the collection level, which streamlines access for all requests. We can see completedness. The collection covers a wide range of APIs, including orders, invoices, subscriptions, and more. It's documented well. We can see that there's good test coverage. So the strengths are that it has excellent documentation. Areas for improvement. We should add more request level tests to validate status codes, response schemas, and key fields for each endpoint. We should include more saved examples for requests. While the collection uses variables, provide a sample environment or clear instructions for required variables. I should also expand error handling scripts to the folders beyond just the one. And then I should also add tests for common error codes and edge cases. And I should ensure that every request has a clear description, usage notes, and links to relevant docs. So now I can go in and I can ask agent mode to do all of these. I can ask it to help me write tests at the request level. I can ask it to help me expand error handling, and it'll do that. And then I can keep running this skill until agent mode doesn't really have any more areas for improvement. So this is a practical way to get your APIs AI ready.